Greetings and welcome, this is Marco and today we're giving a look to the Sony 18-105 f4. The name says it all, it's an 18-105 constant f4 optically stabilized Sony G lens for E-mount cameras, specifically for the crop sensor APS-C size cameras such as the Sony a5100 or the 6500, which I'm using right now to film this. Theoretically, this is a great all-around lens, going from wide to telephoto, but keeping that f4 constant. Also, when zooming, the barrel does not extend. That makes for a great lens to be used on electronic gimbals or such. It also is fairly compact and lightweight, even if it has power zoom built in and optical stabilization. Both the zoom and focus ring are fly-by-wire and the focusing motors are completely silent. All of this would make for a great lens, right? Well, kinda. I bought this lens at the beginning of 2018, so I had quite some time to test it out in all different situations. And well, it's practical. Let's say it is practical. But before talking about what I don't like about this lens, here are some sample pictures. Now, as I said, I bought this lens at the beginning of this year and I had it with me in so many different situations. I used both for taking pictures and videos, obviously, as I always do. I took portraits, I went shooting concerts, I brought it with me to the other side of the world and back. So many different travels and events and weddings and everything. And yeah, I cannot say I like it, no. Even if I used it so much and I will continue to use it, I don't really like this lens that much. The fact is that this lens, for me, feels more like a compromise than an actual great lens. Maybe if it was 2.8 instead of f4, and if the quality of the glass was a little better, it would be great, but at this price, this lens, I feel it's a little bit overpriced. I feel this lens is a overpriced kit lens, yeah. The quality, the image quality, the build quality is great. The image quality is not that different from the kit lens that I'm using right now to shoot this. And bear in mind, I love the Sony kit lens, it's a great kit lens. But for almost 600 euros, this, I don't know. I mean, yeah, it's super practical, 18-105 f4, it's what I keep telling to myself, but I can't really love this lens. Well, basically that's it. As always, I let you decide based on what you've seen and based if you had the chance to handle the lens, if you like it or not. For me, once again, it's practical, but I don't like it. I cannot love this lens. For anything else, if you have any questions, something, feel free to leave a comment below, and I will see you next time. See ya!